All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. It's April 3rd. I'm over here at the lease. We gonna do a little turkey hunting this weekend. I didn't do an intro, so this is actually the intro to my hunt. I just got finished hunting. You'll see in just a little bit. But yeah, we're back over here at Mott Farm and the lease, and we're gonna try to get on some turkeys. And y'all just stay with us. Happy Easter to everybody. And just remember to thank the Lord to be able to come out and enjoy the great outdoors. And just say a special thank you for what Jesus did today on the cross. And if it wasn't for him, we would not be able to do what we can do. But y'all come on with us. I don't know what we're going to get into. I'm going to try to get out and get on a turkey, see if I can't call him in one. But I think it's going to be a good weekend. And y'all stick around and see what we do. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And if you haven't liked, please like. I would really appreciate it. All right, y'all come on. Got him. They slipped up on me. Like not have seen them. That's a good one. That's a good one. Let's go get him. All right, guys, sorry, that was a quick hunt. That was a quick hunt. I got set up and hardly got my camera on. And two of them came in there as quick as I know what. Didn't hear them, didn't gobble. Did not gobble once they got in the woods. I had my decoy set up over here. And boy, I couldn't be more happy or happier. Thank you, Lord. Thank you for blessing me to be able to be out here and enjoy the great outdoors. Here's my old decoy. Boy, that thing, my buddies have ragged me about that $9 decoy from Walmart, but it sure helps. It helps out a lot. I was set up right over there, and they come in to my right, and I like not have seen them. They were on top of me, and you'll see from the video that I didn't have time. They started clucking, about to get out of town, and I was able to get him. I sure am happy. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. All right, guys. Here he is. Here he is. Good old bird. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. And just a fine turkey. That right there. Don't get no better than that. Appreciate y'all watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't. Just all the glory be to God. Thank you. Thank you. We're gonna get him loaded up and head on back to Alps. He's gonna be sure impressed. All right, see ya. Couldn't set up on this field. We've never been able to see them. Done got thick. Welcome back to the truck now. Get everything loaded up. Right through here, see this all the time.
Oh yeah. Monster. Look yonder. Starving to death. There's one across his bed. Come here, sucker.
Yep.
Oh, it's splashing over there. That's right over there. I don't want to do it. She's got it misery before it spreads it anywhere else. You reckon? Don't say nothing. They need to shoot. I don't need to spread that shit everywhere. Damn, Jack, you got one.
Yep.
Got your video going?
Yep.
Dang, that's a good one there. Dang, I don't know what to do about it, dude. That's all. Let's call somebody.
You need to call that game warden, what I do. You got his number.
Yeah, but he can ask why I didn't daggone send that stuff to him.
That's the way it goes, huh?
Yeah. I'm going to look at it, see, video it, and send it to him. They sure need to know. We're going to see if we can see it. I'll video it and send it to him.
Well, it'd be better to call him where he can come and do what he needs to do.
8 hours away, we ain't gonna be here.
Well,
If he stays there, we will.
He ain't over this county nowhere.
No, it's county. He call somebody, I reckon. Get him moving here. Dang, son, bit it right there. Hey, that's a good one there, Jason. Good, great fly. That's a daggone 2-pounder. That's a dang good one there.
That's a good one. Oh yeah. Pretty good one. Pretty. All right, guys. Well, that's a wrap for this weekend. Headed back so I can go to church tomorrow with the family. And had a great weekend once again. Got me a nice turkey. A little story on that. I know the video footage wasn't great, but I only heard one gobble, and it was a good ways across the property. And so I ran over there, and I thought this gobbler was henned up. I thought he was not going to even pay me no attention. Matter of fact, I yelped a couple of times and nothing. But I knew he was on the ground, so I went into the woods and I set up. And no sooner than I got set up, my decoy got settled in, got my GoPro up. I yelped a couple of times and nothing. And them two gobblers must have ran in there awfully quick, because in a matter of 15 minutes, they were on top of me, and I did not see them. And so they pretty much had me pegged, and all I heard was them clucking, and I knew they were about to get out of town, so I hurried up and hit my GoPro, and I was able to get the one I got, and I'm very, very thankful and blessed that I got that one. But it was a quick hunt. Sorry about the footage. The footage wasn't that great, but I did get a little bit. But being out and had a great weekend, went fishing, caught some fish, and just had a quick getaway. That's what it's all about. I wasn't even planning on coming, and decided to come on over and had a great hunt. So like I said before, if y'all haven't liked this, please give me a like, please give me a subscribe, and hit the little bell so every time I put one out you'll get a notification, and I'll keep on bringing them, because this is what I do. This is what Alton does, and we enjoy every minute of it. Thank the good Lord that we're able to. So we will catch y'all later. See ya.
Gone hunting, don't bother me none. The crack of dawn's where my freedom runs. Duck calls, deer tracks are quite somewhere. I've checked out alive, folks. No